Our world has 3 dimensions, but what exactly are these dimensions? Today, we will explore dimensions from 0D up to 3D. We will build each dimension one simple step at a time, seeing how they connect. First, we start with 0D, or 0 dimensions. 0D is just a location, like a single point or a tiny dot. It has no size, no length, and you cannot move anywhere within it. Next, we move to 1D, the first dimension. If you stretch that 0D point, you create a line. Imagine walking on a tightrope, you can only move forward and backward. 1D adds the ability to move in only one direction, which we call length. Building on this, 2D adds a second dimension to the line. Think of a flat sheet of paper or a tabletop. You now have length and width, allowing movement in 2 perpendicular directions. You can move side to side and forward and backward across the flat plane. Finally, we reach 3D, the space we live in. 3D adds a third dimension called height or depth. If you stack many flat sheets of paper, you form a solid cube. We can move left, right, forward, backward, and now up, down. Each new dimension gives us one new unique direction for movement. Let's use a large delivery box as our visual example of 3D space. You can measure its length, its width, and its height. If you trace only the shadow the box makes on the floor, you are visualizing 2D. If you trace only one edge of that box, you are limiting yourself to 1D movement. Think about a character in a simple retro video game who can only move left, right, and jump. That game world is essentially 2D, as it lacks depth perception. To fully understand 3D, we must recognize the role of all 3 independent axes working together. We saw how 0D points form 1D lines, which build up to 2D planes in 3D space. Recognizing these fundamental dimensions helps us describe everything in the universe around us. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.